Chris here with Atlantic Drain. We're headed to Powell, Ohio this morning to perform a downspout to drain tile repair. There's a 2-inch separation between the downspout and the drain tile, and the water is just dispersing along the wall instead of going into the pipe. I've got this opened up, and you can see there's about 2 inches of separation here where the downspout meets the drain tile. This line has sunk, but right here in this area it still looks like it's got flow away from the foundation wall. Let's pull this off of here. Pull this off, see what's going on. Got a little bit of dirt down in there, but it looks dry. I'm going to go ahead and put some water into the drain tile right here of the problem area. See if we have any backup or if there's any standing water right here at the 90-degree elbow. Okay, I've got water going into the line. I'm going to go ahead and push this into the pipe just a little bit. See if there's any standing water right here. There is none. That's good. Let's make sure that the water flow is proper going out to the street or swell. Shouldn't take more than about, I'd say, 1.5 minutes for it to make it out here to the swell. Before making what appears to be an obvious repair that is needed at the downspout to drain, we want to be sure no other problems exist in the line. Oh yeah. That's great flow coming out here to the swell. So I feel this drain tile is open and clear. Alright, well, I've turned off the water. We know that the line is clear and flowing out to the swell. Pull this out. Take a look down in there. Alright, I see no standing water in the pipe. So what I think we need to do here is just make this extension longer so that it actually reaches the downspout and all the water will flow into the drain versus dispersing right here on the wall. So I've removed the downspout strap so we'll have some play in this downspout itself. A pendulum type movement is needed in the downspout in order to make the downspout to drain repair. Alright, your piece of pipe, if you stick it right on the actual pipe leaving away from the house, not on top of the 90, but it should just fit right underneath of the downspout itself. We'll go ahead and put an adapter on here. We'll go ahead and glue the fitting. Glue. Put that into the fitting. Push it all the way down. Tight quarters here. What you want to be able to do is just articulate the downspout and the conduit so that it'll be able to get into the 90, into the adapter. Make sure you're good and straight. Resecure your strap, and this minor repair will be complete. Alright, this repair looks really good. It's got nice fall away from the foundation wall. And the downspout's going all the way into the adapter. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Remember, it's easy once you know how.